Right, there's two things that I want to get done today. One is I want to change the starter on the Camry, because the starter in this car is going out, and I want to make it start reliably again. And the second is I want to cut the rest of the quarter panel out, because I've received the new quarter panel. So this is going to get welded in pretty soon. Now, I don't know how to weld, but I'm going to buy a welder and just figure it out. This is how I learn things, is just by doing it. That's just how I learn things best. So I'm gonna just buy a welder and just try it, and that's how I'm gonna learn how to weld. But right now I'm gonna do the easier task, which is to change the starter. So the starter in this car is all the way kind of down there. It's underneath this little intake here, so you got to take off this little intake inlet and air filter. So probably from the throttle body back has to be taken out. Maybe not. I don't know. It might only have to be up to here. That needs to be removed. I may or may not have to take out the battery. I'm not actually 100% sure on that one. And then we can just get to the starter. So new starter down there. Old starter in here. Let's get working. Alright, so you can see here's the old starter, then here's the new starter. This is kind of the area where I've had to hit it before to make the starter work, because it was kind of like seasoned a little bit. I've decided to replace this kind of early on. It's only been acting up for the past maybe month or so. I'm deciding to replace it early on so I don't have too much trouble with it. Pretty easy just to swap a starter. It's kind of time consuming because it's taking out all of this intake stuff here. That's usually sitting there, and taking out the battery as well. I'm going to put the battery back in last because it's going to like switch the alarm on, I'm pretty sure. Because the alarm's super touchy on this car. Anyway, I'm just going to put everything back in the car. Probably not going to film it because it's literally just reversing everything I've filmed so far. So I'm probably not going to film it. I'm just going to get everything done and just put everything back in the car as quickly as I can before it becomes dark. Because I don't feel like working out in the dark. So yeah, we'll just put everything back, and I'll talk to you guys when it's done. Starter on the Camry is now done. That's all I'm doing tonight because it's pretty dark out. But tomorrow that quarter panel goes chop chop. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow when we start cutting up that quarter panel. I may place the new quarter panel on, but I won't like fully install it because I need a welding machine for that, and I don't have that. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, the Miata is done. Look at this. Quarter panel is fully installed. Everything completely done. Oh yeah, and I'm lying. The quarter panel is kind of in. It actually fits pretty well, but it's not welded in. So it fits here and it looks okay, you know, if I take a few steps back, but it's not fully done because I haven't welded it. Now I have my welding machine right here. And I have all the equipment I need except for two things. One of them being my shielding gas, which is 75% argon and 25% CO2, which is a pretty common thing for MIG welding, which I'll be using for the quarter panel. And I'm also missing, what was it? No, I don't remember. There's something else I'm missing. It's really important when you like hook up the gas, and it'll adjust the flow of it. I forgot what the name of it is though, but don't worry about it. Now I'm really sorry I didn't film really any of this. I was going to, and then I didn't. And yeah, that's my B. I feel like this is better anyway, just because I already made a video of cutting up the quarter panel, and this is pretty much that, just to a bit of a larger scale. I did take it out on a cheeky little test drive yesterday. I couldn't help myself, I just had to. And it drives nice, so you know, I'm very surprised actually. It drives okay. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. It was pretty much just changing the starter on the Camry, which is fine. That car needs a little bit of love too. If you enjoyed, make sure you go ahead, leave a like, comment below, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Also check out my gaming channel as well. Link is in the description. I'm starting to upload on that channel again. Would be really appreciated if some of you guys went over there, hit the subscribe button, checked out some of the videos I'm going to start posting on there. It's going to be similar to the content that I made before these car vlogs. It's going to be kind of like that. I feel like I've gotten over the burnout from it, so now I'm coming back into the gaming scene with full force because I'm in quarantine, just like everyone else. Please ignore that voice crack, by the way. Anyway, that's enough for the outro, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.